Hey guys, so I just shot this look today and I'm gonna take you to the BTS as you guys were asking for it, and don't judge me on the basis of that because this is all the jugaad I do. And right now I'm at my terrace. This is where the sunlight is, which is not a golden hour though, but I needed the sunlight. And this is a curtain I've put the wall in front, like the tripod I use this time. It was this the blocker wall. I know I come up with these insane ideas, I tell you, because that's all I do, jugaad. Because though I think I did. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So guys, this is the setup, and as you can see, it's super windy today. I don't know how I managed to shoot with this. I hope I have got few good pictures. So yeah, this is the BTS. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. So guys, this is my setup because most of the shoots are done here because proper sunlight आती है वहाँ से, and the weather is quite nice and windy today. And I use this block of wood. मैं इसको सामने खड़ा कर देती हूँ and उसके ऊपर मेरा फ़ोन रहता है to get the straight shots. And yeah, as minimal as me. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. Guys, this is the setup. I have simple dupatta over here, too many plants, and I try to use this white wall on at my home. So let's see the pictures.